Vivo's sub-brand iQOO launches its new smartphone under iQOO 15 lineup in China called iQOO 15T, with quiet, cool-looking design. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The iQOO 15T features a tall 6.82-inch 2K resolution 8T LTPO AMOLED display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 4,500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9500 Monster chipset, paired with Mali G1 Ultra MC12 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the iQOO 15T sports a dual-camera setup on the rear that includes a 200-megapixel main camera with f1.88 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.0 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting up to 8K videos. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 8,000 mAh battery with 100 watts super flash charging support, and it runs on Android 16, based on Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor for secure authentication, and it carries an IP69 rating for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC cooling system to maintain optimal performance even under extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR Blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.37 by 76.71 by 8.4 millimeters, and it weighs around 223 grams. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The iQOO 15T has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in track gray, pearl white, and aurora mist color options. So, what do you guys think of this iQOO 15T smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.